Good morning, everyone. Students, today we will do chapter number 20 of grammar. The title of the chapter is, are, am with ing form of doing words. Students, before starting the chapter, the meaning of doing words should be clear to you. Doing words mean verbs. So students, you have learned is, are, am. You have learned verb. Now in this chapter, you will learn about the use of is, are, am with doing words which are attached with ing. Okay. With doing words, we have attached ing. So how to use is, are, am with these kind of verbs? This thing we will learn in this chapter. So what does is, are, am with ing doing words show? Students, is, are, am डूइंग वर्ड के साथ जब ing लगता है उसके साथ is, are, am लगता है तो वो क्यों हम ये सेंटेंसेस क्या बताते हैं, क्या शो करते हैं ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जिसमें is, are, am होता है और डूइंग वर्ड के साथ ing लगा होता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस शो करते हैं कि जो एक्शन वर्ड है, जो एक्शन है वो उस टाइम पे हो रहा है. जैसे आई एम डांसिंग, सो मैं डांस कर रही हूँ, मतलब ऑन दैट टाइम, उस टाइम पे वो काम हो रहा है. सो ऑलवेज सी दिस थिंग इन हिंदी. आई एम स्पीकिंग, मैं डांस कर रही हूँ. तो अगर आप इस सेंटेंस को हिंदी में बोल के देखोगे तो लास्ट में रही हूँ, रहा हूँ, रहे हैं, रही है ऐसा आएगा. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट, इज, आर, एम विद ing डूइंग वर्ड के साथ क्या बताते हैं कि वो काम उस टाइम पे हो रहा है, उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे. एंड इन दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड विद ing. विच फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है, उसके साथ ing लगता है और उससे पहले अकॉर्डिंग टू नाउन और प्रनाउन इज, आर, एम लगाया जाता है. यस, हेयर इज, आर, एम आर कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. अब इन द लास्ट चैप्टर हमने इज, आर, एम एज वर्ब किए थे. इसमें इज, आर, एम हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होते हैं और जो ing के साथ वाला वर्ब है वो मेन वर्ब कहलाता है. ओके, दैट इज द मेन वर्ब. लाइक सीता इज प्लांटिंग अ ट्री. हियर सीता इज अ सिंगल नाउन. स्पेशल नेम इज देयर. इट इज अ सिंगल नाउन, सिंगल गर्ल है, तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल अटैच्ड इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब विद इट. एंड देन प्लांटिंग, प्लांट मीन्स उगाना, पेड़ उगाना. ठीक है, और we have attached ing with that and it has become ing verb planting. Sita is planting a tree. सीता ट्री उगा रही है. तो at that particular time सीता वो काम कर रही है. Okay, take care of this thing. How will you make the Hindi of this sentence? How will you translate this sentence in Hindi? सीता पौधा उगा रही है. सो इन द लास्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग, रही है. ओके, इफ इन प्लेस ऑफ सीता, इफ आई इज देयर, आई एम प्लांटिंग अ ट्री. मैं पौधा उगा रहा हूँ. रहा हूँ अगर गर्ल है तो आई एम प्लांटिंग अ ट्री, मैं पौधा उगा रही हूँ. ओके, इफ दे है, दे आर प्लांटिंग अ ट्री, वो पौधा उगा रहे हैं, रहे हैं. सो इन एवरी सेंटेंस एट द एंड रहे हैं, रही हूँ, रहा है. सो दिस विल कम एट द एंड ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इन दीज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ we will see where we will use the helping verb is, where to use are, and where to use am. Okay student, first of all we will discuss is. So helping verb is used with one noun or pronoun. As earlier also already I have told you that is जो है verb है, ठीक है, वो सिंगल नाउन या pronoun के साथ यूज होता है. Like here we have taken the example. Number 1 is the boy is playing. Now the boy is single. Then we have attached helping verb is. Playing. Play is the main verb and we have attached ing with that. And it has become the boy is playing. लड़का खेल रहा है. Take care of this thing. रहा है means at that particular time लड़का खेल रहा है. As now you are listening ना, you are listening. अभी आप सुन रहे हो मेरे को, मेरा ऑडियो सुन रहे हो. You are listening. अभी आप on the spot सुन रहे हो, तो आप वो काम हो रहा है. Then in the second sentence, he is singing a song. वो गाना गा रहा है. So he is the pronoun used for single male. ठीक है, तो सिंगल चीज के लिए यूज किया हुआ pronoun है, तो that's why we have attached is. He is sorry singing a song. वो एक गाना गा रहा है. That main verb is sing and we have attached ing with sing. Then at number 3, she is dancing on the stage. Sorry. She is dancing on the stage. वो स्टेज पे डांस कर रही है. Now she is single pronoun and is attached with it, and dance is the main verb, and with dance we have attached ing by removing e. Then at number 4 we have written Tina is waiting for the school bus. Now Tina is a girl, single girl है, तो उसके साथ is attach किया. Wait is the main verb and we have attached ing with it and it becomes waiting. Tina is waiting for the school bus. Tina school bus के लिए इंतजार कर रही है. Then use of are. Where to use are? So students, helping verb are is used with many nouns and pronouns and with you also. As already I have told you, you can be one, you can be many. So we will use are with you. Okay. So helping verb are many nouns या pronoun के साथ होता है. One noun या pronoun से ज़्यादा जितने भी होते हैं noun या pronoun उनके साथ use होता है. Like here we have used at we have taken the example at number 1. We are watching television. Like we means many. हम. So we have attached are helping verb with it. We are watching television. हम television देख रहे हैं. At number 2, you are taking tea. You are. You can be one, you can be many. Okay. So with you, we will use are helping verb. You are taking tea. Now take is the main verb. E हमने delete करके ing attach कर दिया है. Taking ing verb बन गया है. So आप चाय पी रहे हो या चाय ले रहे हो. At number 3, they are waiting for the school bus. Now they is a pronoun. It's used for many person and that's why we have used are with it. They are waiting for the school bus. Again, wait is the main verb and we have attached ing with it. First form of verb. Better take care of this thing. These are first form of verb. All are first forms of verb which are used here. ing is always used with first form of verb. So they are waiting for the school bus. वो school bus के लिए wait कर रहे हैं. Now at number 4, the girls are shouting in the class. Girls are many, that's why which helping verb will be there? Are. So girls class में shout कर रही हैं. Now shout is the main verb, first form of verb and we have attached ing with it. Now what is the use of am? Where to use the am? Now helping verb am is used with I only. As already I have told you M is very shy and he stands only with I. Okay, so here also I के साथ am helping verb यूज होता है. Like we have taken the example number 1, I am watching television. So I के साथ am लगाया हमने. Watch first form of verb and then main verb है first form of verb and we have attached ing with it. I am watching television. मैं television देख रहा हूँ. Then at number 2, I am waiting for the school bus. मैं स्कूल बस के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ. Wait is the main verb, first form of verb. ing is attached to it and with I am is used. Then at number 3, I am writing a letter. Am is used with I and then write. Write मतलब लिखना. Write is the main verb, first form of verb. So we have deleted e and we have attached ing and it becomes writing. I am writing a letter. मैं एक letter लिख रहा हूँ. At number 4, I am jumping on the bed. मैं bed पे jump कर रहा हूँ. Here again am is used with I. Am helping verb use हुआ है. Jump is the main verb, first form of verb and ing is attached to it and it has become jumping. So मैं bed पे jump कर रहा हूँ. See students, in all the sentence end में when I speak these sentences in Hindi तो एंड में क्या आया? रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहे हैं. So this is the main thing about these sentences, how to translate these type of sentences. Okay students? So students, now you will do part B and C of chapter number 20 on the book only. You will not do these exercise on the notebook. Please do these exercise on the book only. Help box is given with these exercises. So you will take the help from there and please do according to the instructions. Thank you. Have a nice day.